What's up guys, for today's video we'll be taking a look at the all-new 2019 Buick Lacrosse Essence. Then I'll show you many of the features on the interior and exterior. So the Lacrosse has been a sophisticated mid-size sedan for Buick since it came out in 2005. And ever since then, it's got a lot of major redesigns. The last one was done back in 2017 to this body style. And for the past 2 years, it hasn't received any changes. My tester is the Essence trim, which is in the middle between the high-end trim and the low. But that doesn't stop it from getting pricey with a window sticker of $43,000 with more than $3,000 in options. So the Lacrosse is currently competing with cars like Lexus ES, Nissan Altima, and Chrysler 300 in the midsize sedan world. The stylish and angry front end making it stand out from the crowd, and the Lacrosse comes standard with LED daytime running lights and LED fog lights with xenon headlights. And coming along the side, the wheels on my tester are the 18-inch polished machined aluminum wheels wrapped in 225 all-season tires. And the engine on this car is the 3.6 liter V6 that makes 310 horsepower at 6,800 RPM and 268 pound-feet of torque at 5,200 RPM. That makes 20 in the city and 30 on the highway. So on the driver door, you have the window control. The driver and passenger side windows fully automatic. Right above it, you have the mirror controls with the door lock. You also have, right above it, you have the mirror controls with the window lock. You also have two memory seat, lock and unlock with the wood trim running across the door. You also have the upgraded Bose speaker with the trunk opener and a small storage. And on the left-hand side steering wheel, you have your automatic light control with fog lights. You also have your electronic parking brake. And on the steering wheel, you have 4-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel. On the left-hand side, you have your cruise control with your phone commands.
Say a command or say help.
Help.
There is no Bluetooth phone connected. Pair a Bluetooth phone and connect for your call. To place a call using your OnStar personal speech session ended. Goodbye.
And on the right hand side, you have your controls for the 8-inch color screen and your volume control. Also behind the steering wheel, you have the paddle shifters. You have your turning signal and your automatic. And on the screen, you have your speeds, trip A, B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, fuel economy, timer, and air condition. You also have economy trends, economy index, and a blank page. You have your audio, phone, your navigation, and your options. You have two themes to choose from, Sport and Touring. And right along the center console, you have the 8-inch color screen. Right below it, you have the radio controls with the hazards, dual zone climate control, traction control, and parking assist. You also have the upgraded 8-speed automatic transmission with backup camera and guidance lines. You also have 2 cup holders, a small key storage, and the wireless charger. And on the screen you have your audio, AM, FM, Sirius XM, and your phone connect. You also have your phone, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, settings, climate control, your weather, text. I also have OnStar,
OnStar ready. Thank you. Goodbye.
traffic, and different apps you can download. And on the window sticker, the standard vehicle price is $38,665. They added the Driver Confidence 1 package, the Sun and Shade package, also the Sound package, the Epony Twilight metallic color, and the front plate, which all comes up to $43,165. Here's the final assembly. 5-star safety ratings and fuel economy.